Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can adjust status bar. Next you can change display brightness level, enable or disable dark mode, and also schedule it. Same with eye comfort mode, and also you can adjust eye comfort mode. Next you can enable reading mode, auto rotate screen, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, adjust font size, set screensaver, and in the end you can enable or disable ambient display for new notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.